Sick ass Kevin. What's up, Lee? What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Just met up with the homie Kevin in the Lime Rock BMW. Today we're actually going up in the mountains, up to Azusa. It's been raining like all week, as you guys seen in my last video. Up in the mountains, there's a bunch of snow, and I'm hoping there's still snow up there. It looks like there's still snow, so hopefully we can find some snow, take some cool pictures, and just go on a little cruise. I also have the GoPro with me, so we'll get some point of view footage, because I haven't done that in a very long time. So I'll put the GoPro on. I got my big camera for the pictures. So we got all the cameras today. And you guys know, if I find an open area, maybe we'll do some drifting too. Some donuts in the snow. I think that'll be sick. And before we get too far into the video, if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 100K. We're almost there. We're a little slow because I stopped posting for a while. But we're back on the grind, and I'm gonna start posting a lot more content. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already. If you are subscribed, thank you guys. I appreciate you. Yup, I already see snow up there. I think that's where we're going. Sick ass Kevin. Alright guys, we made it. Azusa Canyon. This should be fun. Is empty, but I think everyone's going up to the snow, and it's Friday, so I think a lot of people want to go up there. But it's cool, all the cars that are coming down have snow on them, so that's a good sign. I love going up here because my car just echoes throughout the whole canyon. It's so loud up here. I finally see some snow. That is a lot of snow, bro. Check this out. We are in the snow. Finally, bro. I have not seen snow this year at all. Where do we go? Slippery. I'm scared, guys. We could freaking spin out up here. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. Sorry guys, I know I'm super amazed by snow. A lot of you guys probably live where it snows every day, but us in California never really get to see snow, so it's pretty sick when we do. Yada gang. Oh, he's stuck. Guys, last year, I think it was last year or maybe 2 years ago, I came to the snow for a photo shoot with Ren. Long time ago, you guys maybe remember the vlog. We got stuck in the snow for over 5 hours. I was stuck in the snow. It got dark. We had no service. It was super scary, but my dad had to come up the hill with his truck and tow us out of the snow. It was freaking crazy. Yes! Let's go! So hopefully I don't get stuck in some snow this time. I'm not gonna go into any kind of snow. Bro, can't our cars cause like an avalanche or something? All that noise? I just thought about that. There is so much snow. Oh, bro, look at all these people. This is where everybody's at. Oh, shit. crazy. Come on. Go. Wait, let me get a thumbnail. Hold on, hold on. Oh no. I don't think that's a good idea, Kevin. Kevin, don't go in the snow. Oh my, I think Kevin's stuck, guys. This is not a good idea. Guys, look at this. This is insane. I think they're closing down the road up there. There's cops, construction, and I think Kevin's stuck. But I had to come down here real quick because they made me turn around. But look at this. It looks so insane. 31 degrees outside. The snow is that thick, as tall as my car. The roads are super slippery. There's cops, there's snow plows behind me. Oh, this is so crazy. I wish we came a little earlier because it did get dark as soon as we got up here. But I might have got some good photos, I hope. Bro, I really lost Kevin. Like, I don't know what to do. I think I might turn around and try to find him. I'm gonna try to take a picture real quick before more cars come down. Oh shit, I need to air out. Bro, I really think Kevin's stuck up there, guys. Like, legit stuck. Oh shit, there's a lot of cars. We are blocking the road, bro. Hopefully Kevin comes. Is that Kevin? Oh, I think that's him.
Bro, I was fucking stuck.
I know, I knew you got stuck. I saw your tires.
Bro.
So what happened? They pushed you?
Me. Hey, let's stop somewhere and take pictures.
Okay,
Anyway.
okay. Bro, Kevin actually got stuck. That's funny. Bro, it's getting dark fast. Usually it's empty and we can just park anywhere, but there's just way too many cars today. Sick ass Subaru. That thing was wide body and everything. The Subaru's got no problem coming up here. They're all-wheel drive. But me and Kevin over here sliding. If I had my E36, I would legit try to whip this corner right here. But I'm too scared of the E92. This shit got a lot more power. Kevin, I hope we don't get stuck right now, bro. We are on snow.
Bro, what the fuck?
What?
That's insane.
Did you actually get stuck?
Yes, I'm reversing, I'm gassing, I'm reversing, I'm turning my wheel, I'm like, oh my God, I'm stuck. And I just see you drive off, bro.
Bro, there were bushes, everyone was moving down. I was like, oh, I can't do it.
And the guy's like, are you stuck? I was like, yeah. He's like, why do you even come up here? I was like, I want to take pictures. And him and the guy had to like...
They probably think we're so stupid for bringing these cars up here.
It's so slippery, bro.
Well, we can take pictures right here, maybe.
All right, try.
Dude, the car, there was a van where you got stuck. It was trying to go up and it was sliding back down, almost hitting me. I was like, hell no. That's why I started leaving. Bro, I was literally, he was going up, but his car was going backwards. And I was like, oh, heck no, bro. He almost went into me. It is pretty sketch. I don't know why we came up here this late. Look at all these dudes. Sick ass food. Hell no. You better spin out, bro. Damn. No way. Baller on the steak. And then Givenchy, whatever. How you say it?
Givenchy.
Givenchy?
No, sit.
We got nachos, mozzarella sticks.
I know.
This is my first meal, and it's like 8 p.m.
Hey.
Alright guys, I'm on my way home now. I just left dinner with Kevin. Azusa was dope. There was just so much traffic and a lot of cars, and it was super icy on the very top. And I think there was gonna be that many cars, which sucks because usually it's empty. I could do donuts. There's no cops, no cars, nothing. So nothing too exciting, but it was really sick to see some snow. But now I'm on my way back home, and I wanted to make a quick stop in Mexico. This one spot that I know that I always go to in the vlogs, where there's no cops, no cars, and nothing. I'm gonna go scope out the spot and maybe we'll do some little donuts or something. All right guys, we made it. Let's do some quick donuts and then let's get out of here because this car is way too loud. right, one quick donut and let's dip. That was quick, just a couple little donuts. I just want to get out of here because my car is very loud and probably the whole entire city just heard my car.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.